Okay, rifles. For chart 16, it's a 16 count hold, and I'm going to have you kind of do a ripple forward with you and the flags. So the back group of rifles that are 7, 4, 3, 1, and 2 are going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then the group of flags that are in front of you are going to go on 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9-ish. And then the front group of rifles, which are rifles 8, 9, 5, 10, and 6, are going to go on 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And then the front group of flags are going to go after you, okay? So, I'll teach it to A, B, C, D, E, F. Let's write it to G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay? You just ended like this, facing back field, back 45. You're just going to go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, I think. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, so it's a 4-count hop. A, B, C, D comes up. E, F, G. 3-count cone. Okay, so again, A comes up, and my foot comes to attitude. Okay, don't let it be straight. I don't want this, I want this. Not this. Okay, make it pretty. A, B, C, and D, E, F, G. Okay, so again, back group of rifles will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's G. Front group of rifles will be 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, now, this is your really fast, really cool stuff that I'm really excited about. Okay, I hope you have fun with this. You just ended right here. We're on a front 45. You're going to go pop it up 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? So make sure you pull that in towards your body. 1, 2, I'm pulling it down. Just a baton spin kind of, but some of you have already done this. So it's a push, pull the butt down and in, so it'll come inside the crook of your arm, okay? 1, 2, 3, I just unwind it, so I'm holding my rifle like this. Let go with my left hand, unwind it, pop it up, and catch with the nose up. Make sure when you pop it, you're kind of pulling it back in towards your body. Okay? So one more time, 4 counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm facing back field here, okay? 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, so all that was, I caught it right here. Drop your nose down. Bring it up. Now let it roll around the back of your hand. Okay? Real simple. Let's do 8 counts together. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Straight up and down. Now you're going to lift up your right leg and roll your rifle underneath. 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay? So all that did was I push it up against my leg, let it roll around and catch. Okay? It actually doesn't even really have to make that much contact with your leg. How do I do it? That was, I don't know. Let's do 12 counts together. Make sure you catch that on 12. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Up to tempo, that works. I'll count it up to tempo and show you. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Maybe not. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8, 10, 11, 12. So catch it 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So slow that down under your leg. Okay? Hope that makes sense. So we're here on 12. You're going to bring it up 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? Monkey jump. 13, 14, 15, 16. Right leg came up first. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. We're ready for a toss. Okay? Should we do 24 counts together? Sorry, I kind of went through all that fast. That step was really easy. So 13, 14, it's behind my head. Monkey jump, 15, 16. Now I'm going to go with my left hand, swing it around above my right shoulder, and bring it flat on the ground. Okay, put all your weight on your hands. My strap is facing my feet, and my nose is facing backfield. Okay, now you're just going to push up, keep your right leg straight, bend your left leg, 17, 18, I'm sorry, 19, 20, I'm sorry, 20, 21, come back down, 22, 23, 24, and I'm ready for a toss. Okay, let's do 24 counts together. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, and 4, catch, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Oh my goodness, I'm struggling. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, monkey jump, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay? Again, that was chart, wow, I'm out of breath. 17. Yep, chart 17, 24 counts. Now chart 18 is 16 counts. You're going to toss a 3 or a 4, whatever Sissy decides. Let's shoot for a 4. Catch it. Say you catch it on about 5 or 6. You're going to hold 7. Now do a baton spin. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Put your left hand on the butt. My nose is facing my right side. My strap is straight forward. 14, 15, 16. Straight up and down. Okay? So again, that's toss 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Now my strap is straight forward again. Okay? So that was chart 17, 24 counts. Your cool, crazy stuff. Have fun with that. Chart 18 is 16 counts. And that was your toss, baton spin, and up. Okay?